I got another permission. The other one didn't have anything but pop cans, so it's been bulldozed. But this right here, there was another house whereabouts in here, and there's definitely some signs. That would be a cistern. Alrighty, that's where I'm going to start. Alright, a clock part. There's lots of little rocks in there from the foundation, so that's promising. I'm gonna bell dog tag. Got a horse reins guide. Got a nice horse buckle. Maybe that's a belt buckle, maybe. A harmonic reed just a second ago, but look at this big, heavy brass pocket watch. It's heavy. See if we can get the dirt out of there. Yeah. Cool. There's lots of bits of pottery and stuff, and the rocks. I think the foundation was here. This is a high spot around to here. This cistern is. I'm finding all kinds of stuff. I don't know what that is, but it's pretty. It's like a... I'm gonna have to come back here because I only had 30 minutes. Definitely all kinds of old stuff. Here's a lamp. Oh, all around this cistern.